Hi, welcome back to Motorcycle Parts Warehouse. My name's Bill, and today I'm doing a product reveal, one I'm quite excited about. It's the new handlebars that we've brought out. So the REZO aluminium alloy CNC handlebars. Before I start and talk about these, REZO is our own in-house brand. We already do a few products like brake discs, bar risers, brake levers, all kinds of the add-on things that you do to finish off your bike and make it your own. These are just basically a direct replacement for the ones you'd already have on your bars. It would just be a case of undoing the clamps, taking off the grips, removing the switchgear and swapping them over. The handlebars come in a range of colours. We've got, obviously, as you can see, we've got black, gold, blue, red, silver in the 22mm, and then in the larger bar, the 28.6mm, they come in black or silver. We do two sizes of bars. We've got the larger fat bar here, which is basically this part here, which is 28.6mm, and then we've got the more average handlebar, which is 22mm or 7/8 of an inch, as some people measure it. Motocross, street fighter style, you can put them on any bike basically. If you want to improve control width, you might want to change the height of the bars or the width. These ones come with obviously the cross brace and the padding, which you'd have on maybe a motocross bike, but you can remove that padding obviously and just keep it simple. They come with the normal knurled end for your non-twisting grip, and then this end would be obviously your twist end, which needs to be nice and smooth. They're all CNC machines, aluminium alloy, very lightweight. I don't know if this picks up on the camera, but you may be able to see here. You've obviously got the angle marks printed on, so once these are clamped in your handlebars, you'll be able to see a reference line for getting the measurement left and right, and then the actual rake of the bars as well. They have a width of just over 800mm. So nice and wide. Your average bars might be 730 or something like that, depending on what bike you've got. The bars come with a height of 97mm and then a back sweep of approximately 53mm. So you can probably look at what you've got on your bike and then compare it. The cross brace is removable. The padding is removable from the cross brace. This is just a Velcro, just like normal on handlebar pads. It's a Velcro fastening. So these bars are probably applicable to 99% of motorbikes on the road. The 22mm clamp height and the 28.6 covers practically every bike with the normal dual clamp system. So the REZO bars are great value handlebars compared to some of the other bars on the market, which are pretty much exactly the same product. If you look on the website, between the two bars, you'll see what a great price they are. Obviously the link will be underneath to get you to these bars on MPW's website. Obviously with these, you might want to consider things like, we do bar risers, so you can raise the height of the handlebar to make it more comfortable or for the look you want. And we've got the matching REZO adjustable brake levers, which again, as the full package at the control centre, would make a really nice look if it's all the same branding. We will probably do another video as well, where I may try and go into a bit more depth and basically assist you in the normal things that may come up when you're fitting aftermarket handlebars. Things like you may not think of, like these may be wider, so will your cable stretch? The switch gear normally clamps and goes into a pinhole. And obviously aftermarket can't feature every bike's pinhole position, so ways around that. Methods of getting your grips on and off. Just little tips and tricks to help you fit these so it just goes very easily, rather than getting aftermarket bars and thinking, oh crikey, there's all these things we need to look at. So thanks for watching. This has been another video from MPW. Make sure you tick the like box down below and subscribe if you like us enough. And we'll be back again with some more product reveals, product reviews, and hints and tips on how to use the products as well. Okay, thanks, bye.